introduce the PDF3D SDK in a little more detail, we'll look at its architecture, some documentation, some of the methods, and an example of how it's been used. The idea behind it is to enable developers to add features into their own applications for publishing 3D PDFs so that the results can be shared amongst a wide community of people that don't necessarily have or know how to use the core application. The PDF3D SDK is designed with a full feature-rich, high and low-level set of methods, particularly designed where there's in-memory data structures, arrays, 3D models available where they can be called using the libraries and DLLs provided with the SDK. The key idea is the PDF3D SDK has a number of methods for importing various file formats, for integrating into third-party frameworks where 3D data structures already may exist, providing a full cross-platform toolkit on Windows, Mac, and Linux, and having all the features you'd expect to produce rich, interactive 3D PDFs. The core architecture includes fully integrated and merged 2D and 3D systems. For 3D, it includes all of the geometric operations for a 3D scene, including U3D and PRC, animation, labels, metadata, and texture control, as well as preparation phases like mesh simplification, instancing, referencing, and setting up custom hierarchies. It also includes injection of automatically generated JavaScript so that the resulting 3D scene has a good user experience. In addition, all of the 2D PDF document management side can use templates, set up security, embed fonts, put rich features such as buttons, checkboxes, and other interactive elements on the page, and provide all the 2D drawing methods such as polygons, fills, patterns, transparent images, etc. The framework lets you jump directly into systems that have existing file formats or 3D frameworks where live 3D scenes can be directly exported. For example, in many of these, the full scene graph or 3D data structure can simply be passed to one of our classes in the SDK. It'll take care of all the rest of the generation, parsing, and setting up the 3D PDF representations. In addition, file formats are supported so that if you want to have an indirect path by loading a file format as a temporary and then asking our system to do the conversion, that's fine also. The documentation includes a complete API and architecture description and also a large number of fully developed applications as examples, which are included to be built and used for training. In addition, all of the API has full class structure documentation, so any particular method or variable can be looked up within the structure of the documentation. For example, Hexagon Mining's MineSite 3D application has PDF3D SDK libraries integrated into it so that all the users of MineSite 3D can export fully developed mine models out to interactive 3D PDFs. This can include the mine shafts, the ore bodies, boreholes, and other geophysical assay data all combined into the same PDF with a very simple menu structure driving the PDF3D generation engine. Also, the Emulate 3D application Demo 3D contains the PDF3D SDK libraries for a full factory automation and palletizer application, such as shown here with these 3 simultaneous robots moving. For more information or to discuss your application, see PDF3D.com.